Meaning of goldfield.
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 Goldfield. Goldfield refers to an area where gold has been discovered and is being or has been extracted. The term originated with the gold rush in the United States during the mid-19th century when individuals and prospectors flocked to areas such as California, Colorado, and Alaska to try their luck at striking it rich. These boomtowns often sprang up quickly and disappeared just as fast once the gold ran out. Today, some of these former goldfields have become tourist attractions, museums, or historical site markers, preserving a piece of America's past.